Good morning all of you. I Razia Pathan from Gnanmanji Vidyapith standard 3rd. So students, today we'll start how to solve word problems. Okay. Today we'll learn about how to solve word problems. So in that here is a Nado's method as well. Which method is this? Nado's method. N means, what was the meaning of the Nado's? That I'll explain you here. Okay. N means number and keywords. Okay. Then A means ask. What is the ask in the question is that? D means draw to understand. O means which operation to use. O means which operation to use. And S means solve the problems. What was the meaning of the Nado's method? Numbers and keywords. Ask, what is the ask in the questions. Draw to understand. Which operation to use. And the solve word problems. So in that, first one question is, Ravi has a 20 eggs. He packed 5 eggs in a one basket. How many baskets will he needed to pack all the eggs? Okay. So in that, what we have to do? First of all, we have to find the numbers and keywords. So what was the numbers is there? 20 and 5 is that? Right? 20 and 5. So in that 20 and 5, 20x is there and 5x is there. Egg is a keywords and how many is also keywords. Got it? Egg is keywords and how many is also a keywords. Now next one, A. A means ask. What the ask in the question? So question में क्या पूछा है? What is that? That is how many baskets will he needed to pack all eggs? What they asked to us? How many baskets will he needed to pack all this egg? Okay. Now, draw to understand. अभी यहाँ पे understanding के लिए what we have to do? हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे 20x वो draw किया, ठीक है? Then (20x) is there. That x will divide in the 4 different groups. Is this in the every group? Each and every group there is a how many x are there? There is a 5x is there. Okay. Then what we have to do? Then we'll do so students, here we divide in the 4 groups. In the each group there is a 5x is there. Okay. Then 20x, 5x in a basket. Each and every basket में कितने eggs आएंगे? How many are there? 5 x is there. Solve the problems. So 20x, 5x in a basket. 20x, 5x in a basket. 20 divide 5 is equal to 4. 20 divide 5 is equal to 4. Ravi will need it 4 basket. Now, Reena brought 13 chocolates and shared them equally with the 6th friend. How many chocolates did each get? How many chocolates did each get? First of all, we have to find numbers and keywords. So numbers is 13 chocolates and 6 friends, and ask how many chocolates did each friends get? That one is here we have to draw. What we have to draw here? Here we have to draw 13 chocolates is there, 3 among 3 friends. Okay. So in that, Reena is sharing her chocolates equally. So we'll use division. What we use here? Division. That means 36 solution. 13 divide 6 is equal to 5. 13 divide 6 is equal to 5. Each friends got 5 chocolates. How many chocolates each friend will got? 5 chocolates. Okay. Now look at this, everyone. Okay students, now we'll start worksheet number 19. Division word problem is there. So in that, Ravi has a 20 egg. He packed the egg by putting 4 eggs in a one basket. How many baskets will he need to pack all eggs? So in that, Veena brought 35. Okay. So in that, what we have to do? Ravi has a 20x is there, 4x in the one basket. How many baskets will needed? So in that, how many basket answer is how many basket he will needed is there. So here we have to draw 3 boxes. In that, among 3 boxes, 4 eggs are there. So Ravi is packed egg into a equal group 4 eggs each. So we will divide 20 divide 4 is equal to 5. 20 divide 4 is equal to 5. Ravi needed how many baskets are there? 5 baskets are there. ठीक है. Now in that, Veena brought 35 chocolates. Veena ने कितनी chocolates लिए? 35 chocolates are there to school and share them equally with the 7 friends. उसको equally 7 friends में divide करनी चाहिए. ठीक है. How many chocolate did each friends will get? So सभी फ्रेंड्स को कितनी चॉकलेट्स मिलेगी वो हमें फाइंड करना है. सो वीना ब्रॉट 35 चॉकलेट्स टू school and shared them equally with her 7 friends. How many chocolates did each friends get? So in that, how many chocolates did each friends get? So here 7 friends are there. Among 7 friends, Veena share her chocolates equally. So we will divide here. What we have to do? Division will do. 35 divide 5. So answer is 5. 35 divide 7. So answer is 5 is there. Each friends will get how many chocolates are there? 5 chocolates. Okay. Now we'll start next worksheet. Worksheet number 20. Worksheet number 20. Division word problem is set. So today we'll complete it only question number first. Solve the following word problems in your notebook. So in that, Neela has a 36 potato. She put 6 potato in a basket. इसने 6 potato किसमें रखे? Basket में. How many baskets will she need for the potatoes? ठीक है. In that, here we have to follow the step. What we have to write here? Worksheet number 21. Division word problems. Division word problems. In that, first of all, we follow the step. Step 1, numbers and keywords is there. So in that, 36 potatoes. How many potatoes are there? 36 potatoes and 6 potatoes in the basket. In the basket. Okay. Now, step 2, ask. What they ask? How many basket will she need for all the potatoes? All the potatoes. Step 3, draw. We'll draw here 3 boxes. First one we have to write 36. Division sign is there. 6. Make question mark here. Step 4. In that step 4, operation. Here we have to do division. Step 5, solution is that 36 divided by 6. So here we have to write 36 divided by 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. 6 minus 6 0. 3 minus 3 0. So answer is Neena will need. Answer, Neena will need 6 basket. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to write first 4 steps in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. Complete it fast. Now look at next step 5, and write it down in your notebook. I hope so, students, your writing work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. Okay, students, now next one question is Johan has 275 coins. 275 coins is there. One's pencil costs 5 coins. How many pencils can John buy? How many pencils can John buy? So in that B1 sum, in that step 1, what was the step 1 is there? Numbers and keywords. Step 1 is numbers and keywords. So first of all, we have to find the numbers. So in the 275 coins is there. Okay, 275 coins is there. In that 9 students are 5 coins. 1 pencil cost is a 5 coins. Here we have to write 5 coins again. Step 2. What was the step 2 is there? Ask. What they are asked. Okay. So in that, how many pencils can John buy? How many pencils can John buy? Okay. Now, step 3, draw. So here we have to draw 3 boxes. In that 275 divided by 5. In the last question mark is that. Then step 4, operation is there. Here we have to write division. Step 5, solution is there. So in that, what was the solution is there? 275 divided by 5. 5 5s are 25. 7 minus 5, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. Bringing down here 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So here answer is John can buy 55 pencils. Now look at first 4 steps, everyone, and write it down in your notebook. Here we have to write 55. Okay students, now look at next step. Step 5 is there. Write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. Complete your work as well as possible. Okay students, what was your homework is done. Now today will complete that worksheet number 19 and 20. So your homework is, आपका homework क्या है वो हम बता रहे हैं, ठीक है. Your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 20. In that worksheet question number first, वर्कशीट नंबर 20 में क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है, उसमें जो वर्ड प्रॉब्लम है फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड हमने किया है, ठीक है. सो रिमेन वर्ड प्रॉब्लम C to G तक के जितने भी वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स है वो आप लोग कंप्लीट करोगे एंड बिफोर 3 o'clock हमें व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में सबमिट करवाओगे, ठीक है एवरीवन. बिफोर 3 o'clock यू मस्ट बी सबमिट योर होमवर्क. ओके, आई होप सो योर वर्क इज कंप्लीट. ओके, बाय एवरीवन, हैव अ नाइस डे.